Hello, welcome to new scene anatomy video. Today I want to check out something which is not so regular on my channel, but maybe in the future. It's here the RODE VideoMicro. It's a compact on-camera microphone, perfectly for DSLR cameras. So my aim is here to check out this microphone, how it performs than a usual onboard microphone in a DSLR camera. So if it's worth the money or not. And I purchased this on Amazon warehouse deal for around 30 euro, and it was quite a good deal because I received 20% off currently, and so maybe the box is a bit not so perfect, but I received it a bit cheaper and it's perfect for reviewing it. And as you can see here, it's not perfect, it's closed, but for me it's okay for making this review. And as you can see here, there is the microphone. Here's again the microphone on the box, and here again what is included in the box. It's here the compact on-camera microphone, 2-year warranty. So I don't know how Amazon will this made. It's maybe 1 year. Then no battery required. This is cool because I don't prefer a lot microphones with battery. Then compact size, it's super small. Then it's a mount is included for the camera, and it's a furry windshield is also included. And on the side here again 2-year warranty if you buy it new. Then no battery required, compact size, and a mount is included. And what is cool here on the back side, what you can see on the here, is that the microphone is still designed in Australia and also made in Australia, so it's not made in China. Let's open the box, and you can see already the windshield here. Let's open it. Here is the windshield, and I think it's pretty solid. It's not the highest quality, but it's fine for a microphone from 35 euro. Then we have here the mount for our camera, and this will be here screwed in the camera to the mount, and you can put the microphone in it here. So it's also fine. It's plastic, but not bad made, and this one is a bit more solid than this one's made here. Then we have here the microphone, and it's quite heavy compared when I check other microphones. It's small but a bit heavy, so the quality is for me already now very solid. It doesn't feel cheap, and for a 35 euro microphone, it's quite good quality compared to now to China plastic microphone or something like this. And then here you have the camera cable. So one cable goes in the camera and one to the microphone. Here's now my camera. It's a Nikon, and let's install the microphone on it. So here's the shoe, and you can slide it in here inside the camera. So every camera from Canon, Sony or Nikon has this kind of adapter. Screw it until it's fixed here, and you can see it's fixed here, and here is a bit wobbly, but this is for the calibration of the microphone. Then here is the microphone, so let's install this one also. This works like this, and it's installed. Quite small microphone in my opinion. Then I take here the cable. One goes here to the input of the microphone, and one goes here on the side of my camera, so in the mic input. And so it's now installed already inside the camera. And if now it's outside a bit windy or so, you can put also this one on it. I take it, for example, also here now. and you can see it's made. It looks maybe with the windy a bit big, but if it gets good sound quality, why not? You ask yourself maybe why I made not a new synthesizer video or a drum machine video. That's because I'm also interested in audio equipment like portable microphones, headphones and other stuff, and try also to include this more in my channel to offer more different videos than only synthesizers or drum machines or plugins. And I will also upload in the next days or weeks some audio demos of the VideoMicro from outside and inside, so you can see how better the audio is compared to the internal microphone from this camera. So you can see what is better, or is it very worth to buy a microphone for about 40 euro or 55 euro. And after that I will release also a quick review of it, and I will tell you if I like it or not, or what are the problems with it, or the positive and negatives, and so on. Yeah. And I hope you enjoyed this special video this time, and please leave a positive thumb and a subscription as usual. And if you want to support the Synth Anatomy channel, please join the Patreon page. Then you get access to presets, sample libraries and plugins, but also participate on exclusive giveaways for plugins, iOS apps and much more. And big thanks for supporting in advance, and big thanks for watching this video, and hope to see you again very soon in all of my next videos. Bye!